Day 2, doubles. Cam, are you bowling with Nick?
No.
Why not?
Because I'm bowling with the cat.
The right answer was, because I would never bowl with that kid. I'm bowling with Austin Boulds, Cam's bowling with Cap, Nick's bowling with Jared Roberts. Can we place a little side wager?
Yeah.
Low score buys ice cream for the rest of the car.
Yep.
Deals.
Individual or team?
Individual.
Yeah.
All right.
North Rock, so we should all average 250. And until then. Game 1 recap, 230 for me, 160 for Austin. We're about even, so we're hanging in. I don't know what was up with our pair, but for some reason our pair was super tight. Yeah, we gotta look for some better shots, some smoother shapes. Austin had a hard time controlling the downlane reaction, so I think he's gonna switch to something a little bit smoother here and hopefully strike a little bit more. 4 games, Austin and I are like 290 over. That's probably in like 8th. So we gotta step up.
Maybe 10th.
I honestly think it's like 15th. I was really pressing my luck. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see.
The result, not the cause.
Elbow out is a result of me trying to rip one down from the top of my swing. So let's keep that elbow in and shoot tray bomb this game. Yes, we're in frame 1 thinking about 300s. That was money.
Because he's Austin Boulds. Good shot, buddy.
Austin and I are gonna need like 550. I don't know what we need. We need like 500 to cash. Okay, probably like 450 to cash, right? 450 to cash, 550 to win. Well, I let a couple bad shots dictate my ball change because I was hoping for like 300 the last game, and I should have just stayed the course with a ball that I knew I could hit the pocket with and throwing some good shots. But instead, I'm looking at 64 on the 4th. Time to step up. Back to comical and collected. Well guys, that was it. Austin and I had a chance to win going into like the 9th and 10th, the last game. If Austin struck out and shot 300, I 7-10 to the 9th. If I didn't 7-10 and I go on to shoot that 240, and shoot 540 and take home the win, kind of like we thought. Obviously that's asking quite a bit to shoot 540. We ended up shooting 580. We finished third, not a bad day. I'm definitely looking forward to bowling with Austin again next time. That was my first time bowling a doubles tournament with him. So a different experience, but definitely one that I enjoyed bowling with Austin. I look forward to bowling with him next time, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.